Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to our channel, Mysterious Untold Books. Today, I am explaining summary of Invest in Yourself, so let's start it. Every great transformation begins with a single decision, the decision to invest in yourself. Not in possessions, not in status, not in the approval of others, but in the one thing that can never be taken away, your personal growth. In every stage of life, you are your greatest asset. Your skills, your mindset, your habits, and your character determine the limits of your success. Money can be lost, opportunities can disappear, and circumstances can change overnight, but the person you become stays with you forever. This book is a guide to unlocking your potential. It will help you build the confidence, discipline, and inner strength needed to create the life you want. Whether you are starting over, chasing a dream, or simply trying to improve a little each day, the journey begins here. No one will invest in you more than you invest in yourself. No one will believe in your dreams more than you do. And no one can transform your future except you. This is your moment, your growth, your path. Let's begin the journey of becoming the best version of yourself. Chapter 1. The Power of Personal Investment. You are your most valuable asset. Everything you hope to achieve, wealth, confidence, success, freedom, begins with the way you develop yourself. Investing in yourself is not a luxury. It is a requirement for a meaningful life. Personal investment means building skills, mindset, and habits that increase your value. Unlike money, time spent improving yourself multiplies forever. Every book you read, every skill you learn, every challenge you overcome increases your future potential. This book will show you how to intentionally grow into the person you want to be. Chapter 2. Master your mindset. Your mind is your foundation. It controls your decisions, emotions, discipline, and long-term success. Key principles. Growth mindset. You believe you can improve through effort. Positive self-talk. You speak to yourself with encouragement, not limitation. Long-term thinking. You make decisions based on who you want to become, not how you feel today. To invest in yourself, start by upgrading the beliefs that shape your actions. Chapter 3. Learn every day. Successful people are lifelong learners. Knowledge is the only investment no one can take away from you. Ways to learn daily. Read at least 10 pages of a book. Listen to educational podcasts. Take online courses. Study people who have already achieved what you want. Consistency is more important than speed. Small learning habits compound into major progress. Chapter 4. Build valuable skills. Our income grows when your skills grow. Focus on skills that increase your personal value. High-value skills. Communication, leadership, financial literacy, problem solving, creativity and innovation, negotiation, digital and technical skills. The world rewards those who solve problems. Train yourself to be one of those people. Chapter 5. Protect your time and energy. Time and energy are your true currency. If you waste them, you lose opportunities. If you control them, you create success. Protect yourself by saying no to distractions, setting clear priorities, breaking big goals into small tasks, creating daily routines, avoiding negative people and environments. Your environment shapes your success more than you realize. Chapter 6. Take care of your body. Your body is the engine of your life. Investing in yourself means strengthening your physical foundation. Build a healthy lifestyle. Exercise regularly. Sleep at least 7 hours. Eat nutritious food. Drink water. Reduce stress. A strong body supports a strong mind. Chapter 7. Improve your financial life. Money gives you choices, freedom, and security. Learning how money works is essential for self-investment. Financial habits. Save consistently. Invest early. Track expenses. Build multiple income streams. Avoid unnecessary debt. You do not need more money first. You need better habits first. Chapter 8. Build strong relationships. Your network is a multiplier of your success. Surround yourself with people who inspire you to grow. Invest in relationships by listening more than you speak, showing appreciation, helping others without expecting something in return, learning from mentors, avoiding toxic connections. You rise higher when you are supported by strong connections. Chapter 9. Take action and embrace failure. Nothing changes until you move. Action creates clarity, confidence, and momentum. Failure is not a sign to quit. It is a sign that you are growing. Each mistake teaches you something that brings you closer to success. Chapter 10. Become the best version of yourself. The final and most important investment is personal growth. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday. Be patient with your progress, disciplined with your habits, and proud of every step forward. Investing in yourself is not a one-time decision. It is a lifelong commitment. Every choice you make, every habit you build, and every challenge you face becomes part of the person you are becoming. Growth is not always easy, and success is not always fast, but progress is always possible when you believe in your own potential. Remember, no investment will ever give you greater returns than the investment you make in your mind, your skills, your health, and your dreams. You are worth the effort. You are worth the time. You are worth the discipline. Carry these lessons with you. Read them again when you need strength. Share them with someone who needs hope. And most importantly, continue to rise, continue to learn, and continue to choose yourself. Your future depends on it. This is not the end. This is your new beginning. Go forward with confidence. Go forward with purpose. Go forward and become everything you were meant to be. Thank you for visit our channel Mysterious Untold Books.